In CentrixOne CRM, information displayed in the list of contacts and accounts can be customized according to the needs of your organization. Only an account administrator will have this access. Let's start with the contacts list. Here is the information we can currently see at first glance. We have a view on the contact's name, company name, phone number, email address, and preferred language, for a total of 5 columns. To personalize this view, let's navigate to the gear icon. Note that changes made to the display will apply to all users. We can first change the order of the existing columns. To do so, let's place our cursor on the 3 horizontal lines next to the field name. Then click and drag to reposition it in the desired order. Click on the Submit button to apply the adjustment. Secondly, we can change what information appears in a column. For example, the contact's preferred language is not key information required at first glance. I would like to replace it with another field. To do so, let's click on the gear icon, and then the name of the column we wish to replace. Here we can choose to display information from a contact, account, or from an existing custom field. A field that many users find relevant is the created date field, which is the date when the contact was created in the CRM. Let's search for it and select it. The preferred language column has now been replaced by the date created field. Information in a column can be sorted alphabetically by clicking on the title of the column. For the created date column, information can be sorted by the most recent date of creation, or by clicking again, we can filter by the earliest date. Finally, more information can be added to the columns by clicking on the Add a Line button. For example, under the contact's name, let's add their job position. In the company column, we can add another detail, such as the address. And then, the city. To remove information, in this case, I would like to remove the address. Click once on the X next to the field, then click again. We can also bring in information from a column as a subdetail. For example, let's add the phone number under the contact name. Thus a column is freed up for information more pertinent to my organization, such as having a view on which sales rep the account is assigned to. Personalization of the multi-column display is handled similarly, but independently, in the Accounts module.